So I'll be showing you how to mute notification sounds only on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So go to settings. Under settings, go to sounds and vibration, tap on that, and then you can see we have sound enabled. Okay, so we also have vibrate while ringing enabled. So that means your phone will make sound and vibrate for all notifications. Now you can leave that as is and then go to notification sound. And then you can adjust the notification sounds for both your SIM cards if you have two SIM cards. So I'm going to go to SIM 1 and I'll push the notification sound volume all the way to 0. And I'll go and do the same for the other SIM card and push the notification sound all the way to 0. So my phone will not make any sound for notifications, but it will make sounds when I have an incoming call. Okay, so that is basically how to turn off notification sounds only on your Galaxy S25. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.